Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your applications or even games on your Steam Deck. So if you've been using the desktop mode, well, you got a bunch of different applications and those might be out of date. So you want to go on down to where it says Discover, and you can scroll on down on the left side here and you can see like installed and stuff. But there's an option to update on the bottom left. So just go to install, you see this, and then update right here. It's not highlighted. Boom. Discord has an update, Firefox has an update, and then we can just go to update all. And it should start downloading those. And it looks like it's going pretty quick. So every once in a while, you just want to go ahead and come here and do that to make sure it's up to date. Now for your games, depending on the launcher that you're using, you're going to want to open that launcher. So let's go back to Discover and go to installed. And it seems like Heroic is the one I use the most, just because it's a little bit more user-friendly. So let's go on down. There's Lutris. And where is Heroic? Let me just go through here. Heroic. Okay, here it is. Let me open it up. And to update your games, you just want to come to the game launcher and go to the game. So Rocket League might have an update, but if there is an update, there should be a long word right here in green right above Play Now. And then all you have to do is hit play now, and it will prompt that to update. And then you should be able to play online again. So you can update your games by opening up the launcher and going to the game and clicking it. Update the apps by going to Discover and go to update. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.